Hello everyone, we're going to make a bottle car powered by a balloon. The materials we need are the following: 1 plastic bottle, 2 straws, 4 bottle cups, 1 balloon, 2 sticks, a scissors, and a tape. First thing you will do is to cut a small rectangular hole on top of the bottle and also a small hole underneath it, where the straw will be inserted. Cut the straw by 2, about 3 inches long, and tape it below the bottle. Repeat the process on the other one. Insert the stick into the straw and follow it with the bottle cap, which serves as the wheel. Repeat the process on the other end. Make sure that it properly fits. Get the other straw and insert inside the balloon. Put the tape to secure it. Once it's all set, insert the straw into the bottle hole and you're good to go. Blow the balloon with air. Make sure to hold the straw before you let it go and enjoy your balloon-powered bottle car. The bottle car powered by a balloon showed the 3 Newton's law of motion. First, it shows the third law, which is for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. When the air was coming out from the balloon, the pressure that came out from there pushed the toy in the opposite direction. That is why it is moving. Then the first law, an object at rest stays at rest and an object in motion stays at motion unless an external force is applied on it. The toy did not move until we let the air out in the balloon, and it started to slow down and stop because the friction between the toy's tire and the floor. And lastly, the greater the mass of an object, the more it will take to accelerating an object. The toy car is very light. That is why the air pressure from the balloon can move it. If you use a heavier object, like bike, the pressure from the balloon is not enough to push the bike forward. This is the end of the video. Hope you learned the 3 Newton's law of motion. Goodbye!